Carrier system fault, 99 high torque lockout error code.
Do you know the model of your Carrier HVAC unit? How old is it?
It's about 2 years old.
How long has this been going on with your Carrier unit? What have you tried so far?
My AC guy just replaced the main circuit board today and it was functioning until just now.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I went out and reset/flipped the breaker switch, and it did not come back on.
Hi there, my name is Bay. Got over 10 years in the trade. I'll be glad to help. Please disregard any automated phone request or service requests, as they are generated by the website. You do not have to accept phone requests. Please bear with my responses, actively working on the job site also. Are you getting the error in heat or cool mode?
Cool mode.
Okay, if it's giving the error in cool mode, could be an airflow issue outside, dirty coil, outdoor fan not running, or the metering device may not be feeding correctly on indoor unit. Can you verify it doesn't also give it to you on heat mode? Thanks, Tamar.
Okay, I just switched it to heat mode.
Alright.
The error came back on heat mode, same error. Hello? Are you there?
Did the tech check the refrigerant levels? Also, is the indoor filter clean/indoor blower coming on? When it gives the issue on both modes, we could have a restriction somewhere in the refrigerant lines or contaminants in the refrigerant. Possibility also that there's an issue with the compressor/inverter. Was it doing this before the board was changed?
It did not do this before the board was changed. I just need to wait for the tech to come back out? Nothing to do now? I read in an online Carrier manual that the system should reset after 15 minutes and cycle through the fan speeds again, and it hasn't done that.
That's what it sounds like. After you get code 99, it may lock itself out for some time before it will try again. For you to get code 99 in both heat and cool, this is usually refrigerant related. Restriction, metering device could be faulty or restricted.
Okay, thank you.
In rarer instances, something like the compressor or a board could cause this, but it's almost always refrigerant related. Hopefully that at least give you an idea of what's going on.
Great. Appreciate the response and insight so late at night.
I hope that helps you. If you have another question, feel free to ask and I'll do my best to respond ASAP. If not, all I ask is please take a few seconds of your time and rate the question with 5 stars on the top left. That way JustAnswer will credit/pay me as the expert for answering you. If you've got a follow-up question after rating for me, you can ask it free of charge in the same box. Thanks. Tamar.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.